Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved on PC. First, install the game and choose your preferred server, whether official, unofficial, or single player. Next, customize your character and select a starting spawn region. Familiarize yourself with the basic controls for movement, gathering, and interacting with the world. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth start to your adventure in Ark. Once you've spawned, focus on immediate survival. Gather resources like wood, stone, and thatch by punching trees or picking up items. Craft essential tools, such as a pickaxe and hatchet, to gather more efficiently. Build a small shelter for protection from the elements and hostile creatures. Remember to hunt for food and manage your character's hunger and thirst to stay alive. Taming dinosaurs is a core part of Ark. To tame, you'll often need to knock a creature unconscious using tranquilizer arrows or darts. Once down, feed it its preferred food, like berries for herbivores or meat for carnivores, to raise its taming progress. Protect your taming dino from other creatures. After it wakes up, you can ride your new companion for faster travel and efficient resource collection. As you progress, upgrade your base from thatch to wood, then stone, and eventually metal for better defense. Unlock new engrams as you level up to craft advanced tools, weapons, and structures. Explore the vast map to find new biomass, rare resources, and powerful creatures. Consider breeding your tamed dinosaurs to produce offspring with improved stats, enhancing your survival and dominance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.